Hey everyone, we added a new feature in the shooter and melee combat system asset that allows characters to attach weapon on their body. So let's take a look at how it works and then we'll look at how to set it up for your own weapon. Alright, so if I go ahead and pick up this rifle and then if I equip this pistol, you can see that the rifle is attached to the player's back, right? We can add physics to it so that it moves when the player runs. Alright, and when we switch weapon, you can see that the pistol is attached in a different place, right? So we can define a bone to attach each weapon that we have. So if you look at the scriptable object of our rifle, here we have a folder called attachment, and here I've turned on attachment body, and I've assigned the bone to attach the rifle and its default position and rotation. All right. So to teach you how to set up attachment for your own weapons, I'll set it up for the sniper from scratch. All right. So right now the sniper won't attach to the character's body because this is turned off. So we have to turn this on, and then we can use a custom attachment model if you want. Otherwise it will use the default model of the sniper. Okay. I always like to use custom models because the default models can have other scripts and other components on them. All right. So back to our sniper scriptable object. I'll use a custom attachment model for it. So let me find the model and I'll drag and drop it over here. All right. So next we can check this checkbox called use physics for attached item. So this will make the weapon move when the character walks or runs. All right. And next I'll define the bone to which this weapon should be attached to. So I'll set the attached bone to something like upper chest. All right. And let's see how it looks. So I'll go ahead and equip the sniper. And now if I unequip it by clicking on it again, you can see that it's attaching to the player's body, but the position is not correct right now. All right. So let's go ahead and find the correct position for the sniper. All right. So I'll select the sniper model and I'll rotate it like this and try to find the position. That looks okay. All right. That looks okay to me. So now to save this position, you can either copy and paste the position and rotation to the attachment position and rotation inside the weapon. Alright, so you can either copy it manually or you can save it directly by using our editor tool. So in FS Tools, open the item, equip and attachment setup, and this will ask you to select the character. So I'll select the player and we can just click on the save weapon attachment data button and the position will automatically be saved over here. All right. And another benefit of using this editor tool is that you can define different positions for different characters. So for some characters, these position and rotation might not work because the position or orientation of the upper chest bone might be different. So in that case, you can uncheck save as default and then click on the save button. So that will save the weapon position and rotation specifically for that character. All right. I've already shown how to use this window for setting up the weapon holding position. So you can check that out if you want to learn how to use different positions for different characters. Alright, so now since the position is saved, we can restart the game and now the sniper should be attached properly by default. Okay, And by the way, we can change the attachment physics and all that from here. So you can do things like angular drag, movement threshold and all that by selecting the object onto which our sniper is attached to. Okay. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you find this feature helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.